everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be attempting to make keto chocolate brownies. Right, so now that I've washed my hands, I have the recipe here and I've got all the stuff, like I've even brought some erythritol and some pure cacao powder or whatever you call it. I look really like, I've had so many errands, like my shoulder strapped, I'm a mess. But they're meant to look like this and it looks stunning, like I'm so excited. So, like, the thing with these keto blogs and recipes, it just keeps going on and on and on and on and on. So I'm going to put the recipe here, all the stuff I need, and yeah. Okay. 5-minute prep time, 55-minute cook time, total time is 1 hour. Calories are 227 kcal. So, ingredients. 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. So I've got 2 bowls, one for wet, one for dry. They are Tupperware, because my sister sells Tupperware. I fucking love Tupperware. Yes. Okay. Right, so I've got my measuring cups here. These are what my friend Sydney and Caitlin gave me. They're so super cute. Freaking love them. So I'm gonna get this, and it's 1/4 cup. Super cute. Like, I'm just a cooking show now. Oh my god. So I've been doing keto for a couple of weeks now and I'm actually not doing too bad, but it's like, you don't need to get a sweet tooth, but I'm just like, oh my god, give me fucking sugar, I'm ready. So I'm just like, yes, I can make these. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm putting it in here. There's probably a better way. That's about 1/4 cup. So I'll put that in a bowl. Okay. Okay, so 1/4 cup's in there. And then what we're meant to get is, oh, actually, that doesn't even tell me. That's just the ingredient list, my god. Instructions. Combine, preheat oven to 325, so my oven's next to me. So that's Fahrenheit, so I'm going to go 180. That's an element. Oh my god. Bake. 180. Yeah, bitch, you're done. Okay, so combine cocoa powder, coconut flour, salt, and set aside. Okay, so cocoa powder, coconut flour. So this is my coconut flour in here. And then we need 2 teaspoons. So I've got my teaspoons here, also Tupperware. So where is it? How do you know what one a teaspoon is? Like, there's a tablespoon. That must be a teaspoon. So 2. I'm really good with measuring, guys, as you can tell. So 2. They kind of heat. And then what else do we need in there? Salt. So how much salt needs to be in there? Pink salt. It just says pink salt, so luckily I have pink salt. So a few cracks of that in there. And then set aside. Okay? Sweet. This bowl. Add erythritol, eggs, vanilla, and mix with a hand mixer. Bitch, I don't have a hand mixer! Okay, hang on. Oh my god. Oh, this is getting very complicated. Okay. Add erythritol, eggs, vanilla, and mix with a hand mixer. Okay. How much? 1/2 cup of erythritol. So this bad boy here, which cost me $17 online. So 1/2 cup of erythritol, which is like protein sugar. And like, maybe I'll just pour it in. Ah! Okay. It's a little bit more than 1/2 cup. So 1/2 cup of the erythritol. And then what are we putting in? Vanilla. So I need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I need 3 eggs. So I've got my eggs ready. So I need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Come to me, vanilla extract. Here we go, vanilla bean extract. No. Then we need 1/2 teaspoon. That must be this one. I've got fucking erythritol everywhere, so let's pour this in. Bitch! There we go. I'm a true chef, check me out. And that was 3 eggs in a container. Take about 3 to 5 minutes on high. It says it takes 5 minutes to prepare all this, like, what the hell? Okay. 1 egg. Put it in my duties. Got like a little container of my duty stuff here. 2 eggs. This is gonna be a slow process. 3 eggs. See, I don't bake very often, so this is very new to me. Alright, my hands are covered in yuck, gunk. So now I need to mix it. So I've got a mixer thing. god, do I? Kill me. And beat this shit up. Okay. 3 to 5 minutes on high. This is like 2 seconds. I'm like, bitch, I'm done. I'm just gonna make sure that this is the fucking, where is it? Yeah, vanilla, erythritol. Okay, this is the erythritol, eggs, vanilla, and mix with a hand mixer. Mix until the volume of the mixture has tripled in size. Oh my god, is it getting bigger? True chefing here. Oh my god, can't be fucked with this. Oh, I think I've got a stick mixer. I don't really know. Hold up. Okay, so now pretty much what do I have to do? So I've got them. In a third bowl, melt together butter and baker's chocolate. This can be done using a double boiler method or repeatedly microwaving or 20. Okay, put it in the microwave. Okay, so I need to get in a bowl. How much chocolate, how much butter? 12 tablespoons of butter? Oh my god, that's a shit ton of butter. Okay. My butter is somewhere. Where is my butter? Butter! Where you at? Oh my god. My boyfriend's so dumb. He puts it in the fridge and I'm like, bitch, this is meant for not the fucking fridge. I'm like, I need a drink in the meantime. This is too messy. Life's too hard. I'm drinking Rockstar. It's like a sugar-free energy drink, but it tastes like Lift. So it's quite nice. So I'm like, yes. Okay, 12 tablespoons. 12 teaspoons, I mean. Oh god, oh shit. That's like 1. Oh my god, it's in my nails. Yuck. 3. Cut off like 12 little bits. Alright. So it's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that was nearly like a block of butter I used. So you can't tell me that that's not enough. And then, what'd they say? 2 dozen of unsweetened baker's chocolate. So I got some chocolate buttons. 2 dozen, like. Is that 2 dozen? Oh, 2 dozen. Whoops! Ha! I'm just gonna microwave it and then we mix it all together, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I put it in for 30 seconds and then you gotta kind of mix it up. Make sure it doesn't get too melty, but we do have to melt everything. So see, oh my god. Ugh! But see how it's melting together a little bit? So we need it to melt but not be too hard out. So it says that you can do the 20-second method, which is what I was confused about. And you just put it in for sets of 20 seconds to try and melt it and everything. So yeah, if you're wanting to keep this keto, you would use the sugar-free chocolate buttons. My boyfriend, when I said I was doing this, got me sugar chocolate buttons, but they're not that bad. So it should be okay. I'm gonna put that in for another 20 seconds and we'll see if the rest of it melts. While that's doing that, I'm gonna grease this up so I can put my brownies in here. So I'm gonna get some butter and do that. So then, because I know I'll have to do that at some point. You do that like later on. So I'm just getting some butter and just kind of rubbing it everywhere. Oh, that's my buttons having a wee beep at me. Yeah, but you gotta make sure you wash your hands because no one wants to be rank while they're doing this. Come on, kids. Don't be foul. Ugh, it's like all melting in my hands. It's so yuck. Ugh. Like, where's that? That. Just gonna quickly wash my hands again. Get this out of the way. Bye, bitch. Alright, where's my wee whisk? Oh yeah, so that, oh god, that seemed to melt them up pretty good. It's a pretty chocolatey consistency. Like if I wasn't meant to use the right amount, I can see why now. Okay. Dog's like, feed me, ho! Okay. Add egg mixture to the butter chocolate mixture in 3 parts, folding in each time. Okay. So I've got to fold it in. How the hell am I going to fold it in? Let's pour all the little poos in there. It says the erythritol will sit at the bottom anyway, which I think it is doing. So I guess put a little bit in. But then I'm just kind of mixing it, I'm not really folding it. Because the mixture I made is soft, so it's putting a hard mixture into a soft mixture. How can you'd fold it in the soft mixture into a hard mixture? Like, I don't get it. So it's like, are you just not trying to mix it together? Like, I don't understand. This is why I don't do cooking shows. That should just bloody be called failed brownie cooking. I'm like, I guess. I mean, it looks good. Still got this chocolate thing in the middle. And then, what does it say now? Add egg mixture. Once the wet ingredients are all combined, begin adding the dry ingredients. Add 1/3 of the dry mixture and fold into the wet. Repeat this process 3 times until all the dry mixture is used and a humongous brownie batter is formed. Oh, homogeneous, not humongous. I'm like, bitch, this ain't humongous. Oh, it is humongous. Oh my god. Okay. Am I missing something? Oh my god. Whoops. Add 3 parts to make a brownie batter. Do not pour in all at the same time. Maybe this is like a what not to do, because I'm good at that. I'm still gonna mix it together. I'm like, this is gonna be really flat brownies. Like, my dish is very low. I'm like, I don't know if this is a good idea. I'm like, I can't believe that this is keto. This looks like literally heart attack time. Oh my god, if I actually can pull this off, I've actually baked something. Holy shit. And I suppose if you wanted, you could put like the, what do you call it, the chocolate buttons on top and melt them in or whatever, if you want to do it a little bit fancy. Or I've seen people make this batter and then put like peanut butter on top, like peanut butter cups. I'm doing that. I'm like, is this what they mean by brownie batter? Like, it looks pretty decent. Like, I guess that's it. And then you just put it in. My oven's on. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Well, remember this that we did earlier? Yeah, boys and girls. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm excited. I'm not excited for all my dishes that I have to do, but I'm excited. I need a way bigger spatula than this. I'm like, how do people get sponsored? Like, send me a spatula, please, people. And this is gonna be thin brownies. Thin. I like greased up the sides, like expecting it to be so much more. It's like so not. Oh my god, I'm getting chocolate brownie stuff everywhere. Yay, I'm so proud of myself. Honestly, I never bake. Like, I can cook a mean pasta, like zucchini pasta, but I'm like, I'm not a baking kind of person, so this is really cool. Taste it. That tastes so freaking good. Oh my god. Yum. What the hell? Why didn't I make this sooner? Okay, I've always had a wee fear of ovens because when I was younger I got stuck in an oil column heater and my arm caught on fire. That's why it's all scarred up there with all freckles. The freckles, so they freak me out a wee bit, so this is big for me. Okay, put this in. Alright, yes, okay, what's the time? Because it needs to be in for 50 minutes. But because it's thinly spread, I would say we'd check it in half an hour. So it's 4:40. So yeah. So in the meantime, I've just got to clean all the mess I've made, and then, yeah, we'll see if the brownies turn out okay. I'm so excited. Yes! Woo! So like I thought, I've checked it about 20 minutes earlier, so it's only been in there for about half an hour. And it looks pre-cooked all the way through, so I might turn off the oven, and I might just let it sit for a wee bit. Ta-da! So this is the brownie here. It is nice and hot. I did only leave it in for like half an hour, so hopefully it is pretty cooked. I'm going to get a soft spatula now. I'm so excited if this worked, because you could just mix this with all what's coming off the sides nice, because of all that extra side shit I did. So it's got a nice lift from the edge. It's nice and like, can I just chop it with this? Yeah, so this would be so good if you had cream or like a vegan ice cream or something. Let me know if these, it's still really hot because I've just had it in there like kind of freezing a little bit. Not freezing, I want to get out this little like bit so you guys can see. Look at that. Oh, it's freaking hot. Ooh. Okay, taste test. It's probably gonna burn me. Like, where's my mouth so you can see? I mean, I probably left it in there too long because of how thin it is, because the inside of it's really good, but the outside is kind of a bit dark. It's pretty good. With cream, that'd be really delicious. So, yeah, that's my keto brownie that I've tried, successfully made. Stoked, because I don't do cooking, so that's awesome. So, yeah, that's the finished result. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe where the subscribe box is, and if you want any more recipes or want me to attempt anything else, I will. Bye!
Okay, so, I got the brownie and some like whipped cream, some strawberries. So good. And this brownie. Like, I feel so gluttonous eating this, but this brownie is so freaking good. Honestly, I feel I should be gaining 1,000,000 kilos, so I'm so happy. Good for you brownie, good for dessert. Perfect for summer. Mwah, mwah. Please, yes.